This video is sponsored by Policy Genius. For me, Policy Genius has been a resource that I've been able to share with close family members, people in my community, and those that depend on me. Even if you have a life insurance policy through work, it may not offer enough protection for your family's needs, and it may not follow you if you leave your job. With Policy Genius, you can find life insurance policies that start at just $292 per year for $1 million of coverage. Some options offer same-day approval and avoid unnecessary medical exams. Policy Genius knows how valuable your time is. Their technology makes it easy to compare life insurance quotes from America's top insurers in just a few clicks to find your lowest price. The licensed, award-winning agents can help you find the best fit for your needs. They work for you, not the insurance companies. That means they don't have an incentive to recommend one insurer over another, so you can trust their guidance. Policy Genius is for parents, caregivers, and anyone else who has people who depend on them. They simplify the process of getting life insurance so you can protect the people you love. No wonder they have thousands of 5-star reviews on Google and Trustpilot. Your loved ones deserve a financial safety net. You deserve a smarter way to find and buy it. Head to policygenius.com/ChrisSane or click the link in the description to get your free life insurance quotes and see how much you can save. What's up, YouTube? What a wild day it was in the market on today. But remember, guys, volatility brings opportunity. Listen, family, I got a jam-packed video for you guys. I want to help you get ready to make some money to close out the week. But do me a favor, keep it locked. Please make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you help this video get at least 1,000 likes. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay, guys, I'm kicking it off with Lakeisha today. We had a very wonderful and fruitful conversation on today. I'm just going to share a portion of it with you. Let me know down in the comments below, how many of you ever been in a trade and due to the PDT, the pattern day trading penalty, got stuck in a trade and was unable to get out? Okay, let me know down in the comments below, because that's what happened to Lakeisha on today. She was doing her thing, and then all of a sudden, unbeknownst to her, she had lost track of how many times she had traded on the week, was doing her thing, but was unable to get out of a trade. Okay, let me know if you guys have experienced that, or if you have bought a call or bought a put and then couldn't figure out how to sell it and get out of it. I want to hear all about it. Okay, but she went on to say on the bottom portion of our conversation, all right, I went back in and it let me close. I got out with $11.50 profit. Now, mind you, she called me when she was up, and because she couldn't get out, some of her profits diminished. She said that's less than $125 from what I expected, but way better than the $451 loss that was trending for a minute. Great lesson of the day. And I told her this was awesome, and I'm glad across the board that it all worked out, man. Listen, guys, these things happen. This comes to the territory. Some days you'll get caught in a bind and things may not go your way. Things may be going your way one minute and the next minute is not. These are the things that you have to also be prepared for. That's why I often say you have to leave your emotions at the door. You have to check them and make sure they are on point, because this game has so many variables to it that it can trip you up. Okay, remember, I told you guys about the trick, trap, and frustrate crew and how they like to do things. This is one of the things they like to do, the PDT rule. I'm not a fan of it, but it does come into play on accounts under 25K. Okay, so just keep that in mind for me. Let's go ahead and look at unplay we had on today. This one was 50 contracts. This one was a 177.5 put. This play just been a killer all week. This one was 148 average cost, took it down to 229, 54% return on this one, guys. Listen, remember, volatility brings opportunities, okay? And so that's why we love days like this. Fed Powell wanted to come out and speak at 12 and sent the market both up and down. We love to see it, guys. You're going to embrace these things more and more. The more experience you get, the more time in the seat you have, okay? So just stay locked in, stay buckled up for the ride, because greater is coming long as you stay in the fight. Okay, take a quick look at this chart, guys. This is Tesla on the 1 week chart, and this is going to be your homework assignment. Okay, take a look at this. I'm going to come back and revisit it momentarily, because we got some money to make. All right, let's go ahead and dive into the stocks. Okay guys, I'm kicking it off with the SPY because this is going to have ramifications for Tesla and a lot of other stocks in the S&P 500. Ticker symbol on this one is SPY. Look at this one, guys. It was down $3.78 today, almost 1% on the day. Currently sitting at 425 at the time of this recording. Remember last night's video, I talked about the importance of critical support being 430. And what did I tell you guys? If they lose 430, they're coming down to 425, okay? It opened the door for that move to be had. I want to say major salute. I got all the text messages and screenshots of you guys who made money in this today. And I want to say phenomenal job, trusting the process, trusting the levels that we discuss on these videos every day, as well as what we discuss in the Discord every single day, okay? But check this out, guys. We ran up here. We came out the gate. Let me just start in pre-market at 431. That's them teasing you and showing you this is how they set you guys up for the UWA. Okay, at market open, we came from 430. We came right down at 429. They didn't waste no time testing that level, 428 to be exact. We bounced off that level, and then when Jay Powell started speaking, we popped up to 432. Okay, we crashed quickly from there down to 428. And pop back up to 432. What would that be called, guys? 432 is now resistance. All right, we talked about this in the Discord to look for these levels to the upside, okay? But from there, you could have bought a put right here, put your stop loss at 432.50, and then roll this all the way down the remainder of the day down here to 425, which is where it ended up closing at, guys. But listen to this. 425 is a support level. Critical support is at 420, okay? So the range is 425 to 432. Below 425, though, you have 420 to now be on the lookout for, okay? So I want you guys to make sure you are understanding in both directions what's at play. But listen to this. At 425, if we go down further than this, this is going to bring Tesla down, and that's what brings me to today's video. And this is our money making play for tomorrow. Make your $100 and or your $1,000 on tomorrow with this intel, okay? The ticker symbol here is TSLA, sitting at $218.29. It was down 9%, almost 10% on the day. Check this out, guys. I talked about it in Discord to watch for this to test 215, 216 on the downside. It was holding, look at this, guys, 232. It came off the gate. This was in pre-market. They showed you that number. They like to show you guys numbers, guys, just to throw you off. At market open, we popped up to 228, 230. That didn't hold. We came all the way down, 223. We lost that level, came down here at 1120 to 219, bounced off 219 to retest and recapture 221, couldn't hold it, came back down here to 219, bounced again to 221, and then we fell all the way down here to 217, guys, 216 levels we talked about on today. Write this down, guys, to the upside. 223 is one of your resistance level, okay? So to the upside, if we bounce, I want you guys to look for 223. Above 223, if we even get to that level, that opens the door for 229. Write that down, okay? That's if we go up at all. But because, remember, I just showed you guys SPY. If the SPY falls further, it's going to bring Tesla down with it. And where will we go if we go down further? Check this out. We will go back to retest 215 and then 213. Write these two numbers down, 215 and 213, okay? 213 is a gap fill that has not yet been filled. And so again, remember, they play high level chess. So don't be fooled by a fake out move to the upside, only for them to bring it down from 223 down at 213, okay? They like to move in $10 increments if you know anything about trading and making money with Tesla. So respect the $10 range type moves, okay? Make a note of that for me, guys, and let's get busy with that. Let's go ahead and dive into the charts. Before we do that, check out SQQ. Guys, this one is sitting at $20.33. This one was up 2.8%, nearly 3% on a day. Just something I want to call your attention to. I always tell you guys, hedge your accounts and your portfolios with this. When this is up, stocks are down. When stocks are down, this is up. Great way to make your money with this, guys. Again, look for this. You already know when this begin to come down, that's also a sign of what SPY, the Qs, Tesla, and other stocks will do. Just something I want to put on you guys. Okay, guys, check this out. This pattern you should see is a double top on this weekly chart on Tesla, okay? But the level is what I'm more concerned with. Okay, we got a real big boom boom candle that came today, all right? And that was due to earnings, okay? If we continue to fall, the next level we are looking to test, if we lose 213, is 196.72. Mark that level down so that you know we will be looking to come down towards that $200/196. I would always give it a range, give or take, where these stocks can overshoot when they make a move both to the upside and downside, okay? Guys, you got your marching orders. Let's get ready to get busy tomorrow. Let's get ready to finish the week strong and make either your $100 or your $1,000. But regardless of what it is, I just want to see you execute at a high level. Listen, guys, we make videos like this every day. So if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. Do me a favor. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.